That's right, Cheryl, not very many. We are live at the Morgan Falls vaccination site. When they first started administering the vaccines, the lines were very long, but today we've just seen people come in batches. Although the state has administered more than 6 million shots, less than 29% of the state is fully vaccinated. Now that brings back a lot of questions regarding the updated mask mandate and what herd immunity could look like here in Georgia. The CDC's new guidance comes after data shows a significant drop in cases across the country. And research shows vaccinated people are not only protected from the virus, they're also unlikely to spread it. Take a look at Georgia's number of new cases shown here in blue, compared to vaccinations represented by the orange line. You can see a sharp drop in cases beginning in March as vaccinations rapidly increased. Public health microbiologist Dr. Amber Schmidtke says while we're moving in the right direction, Georgia still has a lot of work to do in getting more people vaccinated.
I think Georgia in many ways is more lucky than good right now, in the sense that, we do see a sharp drop in cases, hospitalizations, and deaths right now, and all of that should be celebrated. But I think that, because we haven't vaccinated a large enough proportion of our community, the risk is still really high.
While Georgia's vaccination rate isn't the worst in the country, we're trailing the U.S. average seen here. Only 37% of Georgia has received at least one shot. Vermont has the best rate at 70%. Mississippi, the worst at 31%. The 70% is widely cited as what's needed for herd immunity. Dr. Schmidtke says projections show Georgia could hit 70% by September if we keep a brisk vaccination rate. But even reaching 45% offers Georgians a better protection from the virus.
I think we can all breathe a lot easier if we reach something like 45 or 50%. That could be a really big deal, especially if cases continue to remain low.
And Dr. Schmidtke says until that happens, if you're in Georgia and you're in a room full of people, you should assume that most of the people in that room are not fully vaccinated. Coming up at 6, some of the concerns experts have about that mask mandate here in Georgia.